4 giant cranes, one 650-ton industrial monster, and almost no room for error. Inside this factory, operators are attempting one of the most difficult synchronized lifts imaginable. If one crane moves too fast, if one corner drops unevenly, or if the machine gets stuck during lowering, the entire lift could become dangerously unstable. And tonight, that almost happened. Before sunrise, some of the largest cranes in China begin moving toward the site. Massive counterweight trucks line up one after another. The destination is a factory in Anhui Province, nearly 100 kilometers away. By the time the convoy arrives, the real challenge becomes obvious immediately. The lift has to happen inside the factory building itself. Space is extremely tight, and fitting 4 giant cranes into this area will be a challenge on its own. Even the operators know this will not be an easy job, because the machine they are lifting is enormous, an industrial hydraulic press weighing around 650 tons. To handle it safely, 4 large cranes must work together in perfect synchronization. And before the main lift can even begin, the team must first install 3 hydraulic cylinders, each weighing 110 tons. As more cranes arrive through the evening, the site slowly transforms into a forest of giant booms and steel cables. Some operators have already been driving for over 5 hours to reach the factory. The heat around the building is still intense, and the closer everyone gets to the machine, the more complicated the setup becomes. One crane has barely enough room to deploy its outriggers. Another sits only inches away from the equipment. One wrong positioning error here could ruin the entire operation. So before lifting anything, the crews spend hours checking boom angles, lifting radius, counterweight positions, and cable configurations. Every detail matters, because once the load leaves the ground, there is no room for mistakes. By the next morning, all 4 cranes are finally in position. 2 green cranes, 2 red cranes. Each one is different in size and lifting capacity, but all of them are operating near the 1,000-ton class. The factory floor is now packed with cranes, support trucks, counterweights, rigging crews, steel plates, and transport trailers. There is almost no free space left. One crane has its outriggers positioned directly beside a pit. Another barely clears the building structure above. The operators slowly raise their booms to check overhead clearance. If the boom touches the factory beams during lifting, everything stops. Thankfully, there is just enough space, barely. Now the real work begins. Steel wire ropes are threaded through giant hooks using full multi-line reeving. The amount of rigging here is unbelievable. Some of these cables are so heavy that it takes multiple workers to position them. At this point, every crane is carrying more than 150 tons of expected load, but synchronized lifting is never perfectly balanced. If one side becomes lower than the others, that crane could suddenly take much more weight, and during this lift, some cranes will eventually see loads approaching 200 tons. Hours pass as crews continue making adjustments. One crane even has to stop due to concerns about a wire rope issue. Safety inspectors immediately step in. With 4 cranes lifting together, there are too many variables to take risks, so the entire operation pauses while crews rebuild part of the connection system. Only after everything is inspected again does the team continue. By now, it is already afternoon. The giant counterweights are finally installed. One crane alone carries over 150 tons of counterweight. The ground pressure beneath the outriggers is enormous. Wood blocks are placed near critical points just in case anything shifts during lifting. Everyone on site knows the next stage is the most dangerous part of the operation. Finally, the command is given. All cranes lift together, slowly. 4 giant booms begin rising at the same time. Hundreds of tons leave the ground. The hydraulic press slowly hangs in midair. Every operator watches their load indicators carefully. One mistake here could twist the entire machine. The crews continue making tiny adjustments. Raise slightly, lower slightly, swing left. boom down. Everything must stay perfectly level. But as the machine approaches its final position, problems begin appearing. The clearances become tighter and tighter. The gaps on both sides continue shrinking. Then the massive press becomes stuck. At first, crews try adjusting the angle, then they lift it slightly higher again. Still stuck. Hours pass. Some cranes are now carrying far more load than expected. One crane reportedly reaches nearly 200 tons during the adjustments. And the deeper into the night they go, the more dangerous the situation becomes. By 10 p.m., the machine is still not fully seated. Only a few centimeters that terms remain, but it still refuses to drop into position. The crews continue fighting the alignment problem for hours. Finally, workers decide to cut away part of the obstruction above the machine. Only then, after an entire day of lifting, the massive hydraulic press finally settles into place. Just after midnight, the operation is complete. Firecrackers explode outside the factory. The crews begin packing up immediately, because after working through the entire night, many of these operators still have another job waiting at the next site. For giant crane crews like these, the work never really stops.